Welcome back to Tech Hire Hub YouTube channel. So today we are diving deep into some of the most frequently asked software testing and Java interview questions in Virtusa, which was conducted on 3rd November. So whether you are preparing for your next interview or just want to strengthen your fundamentals, this video has you covered. We will explain each concept with practical examples to make learning engaging and easy to remember. So let's get started. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you subscribe to my channel, I will do more videos on these topics which is helpful to you. So in which was I was discussed in the questions, you have to prepare and practice those questions. So these were the most repeatedly asked questions in Virtusa interviews for software tester role. So first question is, what is software testing? This is a for sure question in recent times. So you have to explain software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to identify bugs and errors or missing the requirements, like that. And think of it like an test driving a car before buying. So checking the brakes, steering and engine to ensure everything works as expected. So in software also, this means running the application, executing the outputs and making sure it's robust for users. And next question is, explain about the SDLC, software development life cycle. It is an structured process followed to develop software efficiently, and it includes phases like requirement gathering and design, coding, testing and deployment, and also maintenance. These are the steps will be included in the software development life cycle. For example, imagine like building a house. First of all, you have to make a plan, design, build and inspect the final structure, and finally you live in it. So SDLC ensures software is built, checked and delivered effectively. Next question is, what is Selenium? So Selenium, it is an open source automation tool and it is used for testing the web applications, and it can simulate human actions like clicking buttons or filling forms on web browsers. For instance, if you want to check whether a login form works or not, Selenium can enter username and passwords automatically, just like a real user. And next question is, write a problem to get Amazon link in Selenium. So here I given the code. You have to go through the code and choose once that. And what is Jenkins? So in rare conditions, the DevOps related concepts also they are checking. So Jenkins is an popular, it is also an open source automation server used for continuous integration and continuous delivery, which is CI/CD pipelines, and it automates building and testing and also deploying software like a smart robot that regularly checks your code for errors and pushes updates automatically. Next question is, what is encapsulation, and write a program on it. In Virtusa, they are checking the Java OOPS concept, so you have to prepare the definition of the OOPS concept and with one example code. So here in today they asked about the encapsulation and write a program on that. So encapsulation is nothing but it is a Java concept or OOPS concept. It is a bundling of data and methods that work on that data into a single unit, and it hides the implementation details. Think of it like a medicine capsule hiding its ingredients, like that. And once go through the code also. And next one is, what is interface, and you have to write one example program on interface also. So interface is nothing but it is an method that a class must implement, and this allows you to create flexible and extensible code also, like having a remote control without buttons. Any device can use it, right? So once go through the code also. And next one is, Difference between interface and abstraction. So coming to the interface, it specifies required methods only, like interface defines what must be done, and while abstraction focuses on what should be hidden from the user. And next one is what is autoboxing and unboxing. So autoboxing is converting primitive types like int to objects like integer, and unboxing is the reverse for the autoboxing. For example, setting an integer value with an int. So this simplifies working with collections like array list. So next one is what is TCL operators in SQL. Which TCL means transaction control language, everyone knows. So this in SQL, this manages the database languages like commit, rollback, and save point. So if you are updating several rows and make a mistake, you can use rollback to undo changes, or else commit saves them permanently. And next one is explain STLC. So software testing life cycle, it is nothing but, so it is the sequence of steps followed during the software testing, including requirement analysis, test planning, test case development, environment setup, test execution, and closure. It's like preparing, performing, and wrapping up a lab experiment, just like example. So each step is thorough and results are recorded. Next one is what is smoke testing. Smoke testing is nothing but it is an preliminary testing to checking whether the basic functionalities of an application works or not. So it's similar to turning on a newly assembled computer to see if it boots up quickly or checks to spot glaring problems or early. And the last question is query on SQL two tables join example. So suppose you have an two tables like employees and departments tables, to list employee names and their department, you would write this query. So this query fetches relevant information by linking the two tables. It is a fundamental database task, so everyone will do it. And thank you for watching till the end. And if you found these explanations useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are preparing for interviews. Drop your toughest interviews question in the comment and we will tackle them out in our next video. And happy learning and best of luck with your next preparation. Thank you.